Are you guys ready, Arizona? I can hear you guys ready, Arizona. We're gonna start with both of them together, okay? Both of them together. Are you guys ready? You ready? You ready, Evo? You ready? 3, 2, 1, 2.
Time out, guys, time out. The Evo forgot to press the button. Go ahead, go.
Go ahead. 3, 2, 1, Evo. Alright, GTI, let's see what you got, GTI.
You guys, but I think the Evo won that. Hold on, wait. Ranger just told me that the Evo won that.
Stop lying, bro. Alright, so ready? Let's give it up for the GTI. Let's give it up for the Evo. GTI.
Don't disappoint us.
2, 1, 2 step.
Vete. Okay. Yo, he's about to Google that right now. He's like, what does vete mean? Fat Buddy's gonna come up.
Yo, it's a la verga. Vete a la verga. Come on. You know where we are? We in Arizona.
Okay.
Al carajo es Puerto Rico. Aquí es a la verga. 3. Brady, go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Okay, espérate. Alright, GTI, real quick, GTI.
Wait. My man in the GTI. I want you to look over and tell him how much one of those things cost. Ask him how much one of those things cost.
Yo, you wanna try it one more time? Both of them together? 3, 1. Yo, y'all gonna be deaf for school tomorrow. Oh, well, Monday.
Yo, he did something.
All right, let's give it up for the GTI. For the prelude.
Damn, I'm hearing all type of shit.
They say carajo, verga, what kind of shit. They don't know what to say.
Alright, so how many ladies out there tonight? So we need that girl power right now.
2.
Yo, the things are on eBay.
All right, BMW. 3, 2, 1, 2.
Wax your leg.
big ass exhaust. You better better watch it, man. Y'all gonna have no leg hairs. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, 2. Wait. We gotta do it twice. You gotta do it both together because he had long. You gotta fix flames, bro. You guys want it together? 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's give it up for the GTI. For the Infinity. All right, BMW. 3. They don't know that part yet. All right, you gotta go. Watch it slowly, bro. Don't hit nobody. You got a GTR. Oh. Yo, Paul Walker coming through. Look at him. He white and everything. Look at him. Okay, shit. Okay, all right. We got Paul Walker. Back up! Versus Ludacris. Remember, Paul Walker versus Ludacris. Who's ready?
He's gonna go. You're not gonna like it.
I said, who's ready? They deaf. They can't hear us. All right, Paul Walker, go ahead, do your thing. It's all flames, that's it. Yo, let's see the flames one more time, just the flames. I think you need a Viagra, bro. It's not coming out. It's not coming out, bro. It's not coming out. Do it one more time. Go ahead, do it. Fuck it. Alright, have a good night. Slowly. Don't hit nobody. It sounds good. It sounds good from far from good. Did you do this for the gram? Alright. 3, 2, 1, 2, step. Yo, you need a lighter?
Hey, it sounds
alright, one more time. Try one more time. Have a good night. So time out, real quick. How you fucked up?
I'm fucked up. Turn that off. Oh, she's coming out the car too.
Oh shit.
Fucked up. Can we turn this off for a minute?
Shut off the car real quick. We gotta talk real quick.
If you know what's going on, put your hand up.
Alright.
Yo, you're a creep. You're toxic. Yo, she said, watch, I'm coming back for you. I said, what?
Don't do that.
So you definitely surprised me, but you're not driving though. Oh, you pay for it? Oh wait, she said she pays for everything. You just drive.
Oh shit.
Alright, so I love you. I love you. So we're good now. I'm good with Sony. I'm good with everybody, right? We're good.
All right. So we good. So you did you bet against her? Yes or no?
No, we didn't bet.
Okay. But hold on a second. So I don't think you came to my show 2 years ago, did you? All right. So we don't know nothing about your car, but what we saw today. He was a champ, right? In 2018.
She
was. Is it 2019 and 2020, right? At K-Sport. By the way, guys, real quick, December 3rd, we're coming back to this place right here. So you guys, December, not this December, December 2022.
They're like,
okay?
damn, wait.
So
Like,
December 2022, December 3rd, 2022, we'll be back. You guys excited? Yeah. All right. So, are you guys ready for the finale? Yeah. I didn't even hear that. You guys still deaf? You guys deaf? Are you guys ready for the finale? Yeah. So we're gonna do them together, and then we're gonna do one-on-one together. No. Hay que hacerlo juntos para que se joda todo el mundo.
Cállate.
So we're gonna do it together.
She's still looking at me.
If you guys gotta go to work or school on Monday and you don't have any hearing, we're not responsible. All right, CRX, are you ready? GTI, are you ready? Are you guys ready, Arizona? 3, 2, 1. It almost didn't work. Yo, you guys want to look at? Yo, but do now, take your hands out of your ears so you guys can hear it going on. All right, espérate. Arizona, together one more time. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to do one-on-one so you guys can see. I can't even feel my chest. I got like my heart, my freaking Apple Watch is saying, yo, what the fuck is going on here? All right, we're gonna start with the CRX. 3, 2, 1, 2. GTI! Alright. Shut it down. Both of you guys, shut it down.
Fuck it.
Can you guys hear anything?
Both winners. What?
If you're deaf, you definitely heard that shit. What? What the fuck is that? Yeah. Yo. So you guys heard both of them, right?
Again.
Negative? Alright, so hold on. Have you guys one more time? Do not start your engines. I want everybody to start screaming. One more time. Start your engines. kid needs to be held hostage by somebody, please.
Make sure he does not come out here.
He is not going to hear for 3 years. So we're going to do GTI first, and then we're going to do the CRX GTI. 3, 2, 1. Alright, CRX. Are you guys ready for the fight, for the finale together? 3, 2, 1. Shut it down. All right, you guys ready? Yo, open your hood, please. That looks like it's about to explode. Everybody look at this turbo. All right. We gotta pick a winner. Move away! Move away or move you one or the other. Alright, let's give it up for the GTI. Let's give it up for the Honda. Let's give it up for the GTI. Let's give it up for the Honda. I don't know if that's a clear winner. Do we do it again? I don't hear you. Do we do it again, Arizona?
Sorry, we get there. I got it now.
All right, one more time. We're gonna do GTI. All right. Time out. All right, so only the GTIs. Say GTI. You ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, now the Honda.
Fucking Honda won.
All right, and the Honda is the winner. Get up.
For the Honda.
They want to do it. They want to do it one more time. One more time for the Honda. One more time for the GTI too, just for the fireworks. One more time. Turn on your engines.